Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. 24-hour hot and cold, but is this bottle actually worth it? Today I am unboxing the Kart Rio 720 ml stainless steel water bottle. Let's see if it's just stylish or actually useful. Let's open it up. Inside the box we get the Kart Rio isolated bottle. Basic packaging, simple, no extra accessories. First impression, the finish looks premium, and I have this in black, but it also comes in gray and green, so you have got options depending on your style. And talking about the design, matte finish gives a premium look. Stainless steel body feels solid in hand, not too heavy, easy to carry daily. And the best part, it has a double wall vacuum isolations which help maintain temperature for long hours. And the cap is tight and leak proof, so you can easily carry it in your bag without worrying about spills. Now let's talk about performance. This bottle claims 24-hour hot and cold retentions, which is pretty standard for isolated bottles. In real use, cold water stay chilled for a long time, and hot drinks like tea, coffee stay warm for several hours. That's because vacuum isolations reduce heat transfer and keeps the temperature stable. So for daily use, office, gym and travel, it actually works well. Pros: premium design and color options, good isolations performance, and leak proof, travel friendly, perfect 720 ml capacity, not too big, not too small. Cons: no extra feature like straw and temperature display, slightly basic packaging. So overall, if you want a simple, stylish and reliable isolated bottle, this is a good pick. Perfect for daily use, office and school gifting purpose. Would I recommend it? Yes, especially if you want something durable and minimal. If you like this review, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more honest product review, guys. If you want to purchase this product, then I shall link is in this description box, you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, guys. Thank you for watching my video.